So hey guys, Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? Guess who's back? Black Widow. Hell yeah. Surprise, surprise, the Black Widow is back on. And it's looking good, looking good. I'm wondering, what's that in the end? It is a Baffle. Yes, I know. Me with a Baffle in. That's a bit unheard of, really, isn't it? But I was looking at new exhaust, pretty much. I wanted something that was a touch quieter and a little bit deeper, really, because this is kind of a little bit of an obnoxious exhaust, really. So I've gone with a Black Widow, as I've got already, but with a modified Baffle. Now, tell me, what's a modified Baffle? So I put a picture of a Baffle up, but it's just about 6 inches long, like that. And it's pretty much all I've done is cut the end off. So there's like 3 little legs on it, cut that off. And that's pretty much the modified Baffle. So it sticks in there. Obviously it does make a slightly different noise, a slightly deeper, I believe. There's a toilet over there. Don't ask. It makes a slightly deeper noise, but it is a slight of a ticking noise. We'll see what it's like, So tell me what you think. So I'll put a reminder up of Baffle in with a bit of a rev up and an acceleration. So and I'll do Baffle out with rev up and acceleration. High. Okay, so full whack acceleration. See what it sounds like. Oh. And then I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to rev it up and acceleration and see what the difference is. But I'm going to test it today, see what it's like, and if I like it, I'll stick with it. So we give it a start up. So I think it's a bit of a deeper noise, but I haven't heard the exhaust in over a month. So you hear from it from the videos now, but I'll go a bit closer. To me, it feels like it is a bit deeper. So I'll give it a little bit of a rev up, not too high, and then I'll do the higher rev, and then we'll do some acceleration stuff. So that's pretty low. So I'll do with a slightly higher rev now, and then I'll do some acceleration stuff on it. Yes, it's quite loud. So yeah, that's with Baffle in, but with the modified Baffle instead. So you kind of get a little bit of the best of both, I would say. So let's go from here. Don't want to annoy the locals. Silent Lakes. Haven't been that way before, so yes, we'll do a little bit of town, a little bit of acceleration. And we see what it's like, really. See what it's like. because I didn't really want to change my exhaust. Didn't really want to, you know. But sometimes you get that like idea of, oh, yeah, I could change it, I am in A mode, so it is a good bit more responsive. Sounds really nice. Sounds really, really nice. Yeah, still has that lovely growl to it. My thoughts, so the easiness of doing this, it's not too bad. Kind of need a Dremel or something, some sort of grinder, just to grind one side off. That's what I did anyway, because I thought it's going to be alright. I use it without if needed, but if you kind of want to keep that bit perfect that you're taking off, you kind of need a Dremel all sides off. Or a grinder or something like that, or some sort of cutting tool. But ease of it, yeah, you know, it's not a difficult thing to do. You're not really messing about with anything. You kind of just chop it a bit off the baffle. So for simplicity, you know, it's not difficult whatsoever. Effectiveness, to me, it sounds deeper and a little bit quieter on the overrun. Not the overrun, the idle, sorry. A little bit quieter on the idle, which is kind of what I wanted, because I did still want a loud exhaust, but what I didn't want was the loudness of the startup and things like that. So effectiveness, definitely. Cost, maybe cost you a Dremel or a cutting tool if you don't have it. You know, if you've got really strong hands, you could just use a pair of snips. Really strong grip you have to have there. So do I approve it? Hell yeah. I definitely do approve it. 100%. Simple to do. Doesn't cost you any money. But you get the best of both worlds, because the Black Widows aren't known for their subtlety. So Black Widow are not known for their subtlety with their exhaust. They're always normally just loud. So getting a bit of best of both worlds, because I don't always like using baffling. You know, I think I only did it the first time on when I had my Scorpion, but that was the first time I technically ever had a loud exhaust. But let me know what you think. Do you think it's deeper? Do you think it sounds better? And would you do something like this to your own exhaust if you had the option? So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.